Good evening, hockey fans. Neepawa, Manitoba, Canada, MJHL action where the Neepawa Titans are set to play host to the OCN Blizzard for the third time this weekend. Played along the end boards, played up towards the point, tipped by Birch, but that goes right to the Blizzard, and here they come through neutral ice into the offensive zone. They shoot, they score!
It's OCN that takes advantage early. That was a tremendous opportunity, a tremendous effort there by number 39.
Matthew Langdon on the draw. Mern chips it off the sideboards. Good job by Reynolds to pick it up, fix it, and puts it in the middle to Birch. Birch carries it into the offensive zone. He'll play it down low in the corner. Blizzard trying to chip it up. Good job, Reynolds. Out front, Birch! Shot! Scores! On the setup by Reynolds. And a good shot by Dylan Birch ties this hockey game up. 5:52 remaining in the first period. Bernauer eludes the forecheck. He'll carry it in. Bernauer puts on the brakes, sideboards. He's dished off. Zimmerman, back door! Oh, how that didn't work, I don't know, but a good job to keep it out of the net. Bernauer, top of the face-off circle. Bernauer looking, shot. LeBreau, save, shot wide of the net. Big rebound. Neepawa up with it, fired the length of the ice. Loose puck. Now, finally, the Titans will control. Reynolds tried to dipsy-doodle his way into the zone. That gets turned over. Back come the Blizzard. Shot on net. Loose puck. I don't see. LeBreau, how did he find that? I was all expecting the Blizzard to be celebrating a goal, and somehow LeBreau found that puck. Puck to the sideboards. Gwynison finding it. Gwynison trying to chip it out. Blizzard momentarily keep it in the zone. Now back into the Neepawa end. Benson fires at the length of the ice. Icing waved off. Quickly knocks in on the forecheck. Oh, that's turned over. Centering pass. Shot! What a save by Ham on a glorious opportunity. Noonan rims it around the boards. Picked up nicely by Knox. Knox cross ice. Gets it to Reynolds. Reynolds trying to go to the net. Reynolds shot on net. And Ham the save on the short side as Reynolds with a good rush brought it into the Neepawa zone. Shot. LeBreau directs it to the corner. Loose puck. Comes back to the blue line. Kept in. Another shot wide of the net. In the corner. Given off. Zagari. Zagari trying to work it out front. Gets it back to the point. Manning. Hamming, I should say. Shot. Loose puck. Played behind the net. Back towards the point. Hamming keeps it in again. Walks along the blue line. Shot through traffic. Oh! Deflected off of Blake. And finds the short, or the just inside the post. What a heartbreaker. But how much pressure can you put up with? Now picked up by Corman. Corman dished it off left side with speed. Gwynison in front. Loose puck. Gwynison finds it. Shot! Scores! Cody Gwynison! Well, I guess it's not over till a certain somebody sings, right?
That's the way this game. That's why this game's beautiful. I mean, all it takes is just one opportunity, 1 second, and to make that. And that was something that came from nothing.
Romanuk gets it up to Hyatt. Hyatt to Stocks. Stocks gets it back to Hyatt. Hyatt forced wide. Hyatt shot. Sharp angle. Loose puck. Oh, and I think it was behind the goaltender. But the whistle goes. What a golden opportunity for the Titans. Shot. Blocked. Back to Hamming. Hamming gives it off to Bernauer. Bernauer. Cross ice. Knocked down. Trimble can't clear though. Bernauer. Shot. Back door. Loose puck. Oh, and a save. Now picked up. Centering pass. Oh, weak backhand. Can't get it out of the zone. Bernauer. Face-off circle. Circle. Shot. Deflects into the corner. Bernauer picks it up again. 48 seconds remaining in the man advantage. Shot. Save. LeBreau hangs on with Zimmerman right there. Michael Chuck centering pass. Nobody there. for the Titans. Blizzard play it up ice. Quickly, 2-on-1. Centering pass out front. Save! Oh, what a save again! Back towards the point, kept in by Hamming. Gives it off to Sutherland. Sutherland, cross ice. Stutter stop, shot, save! Holy moly, LeBreau! And it'll be Romanuk out to take this draw against Bernauer. Romanuk gets it down low. Stokes gets it in the corner. Good anticipation by Bernauer. Out front, backdoor Zimmerman! Puts it away on the turnover.